will discuss about classification of matters. Classification of matters. There are two types of classification of matters. One is physical classification of matters, another is chemical classification of matters. First, I will discuss the physical classification of matters. In physical classifications, there are three categories of matters. One is solid, liquid, and gases. Solid, liquid, and gases. Example of solid is ice. Example of liquids is water. Example of gases is steam. Okay? This is the chemical classification of matters. Chemical classification of matters, if we discuss here, we'll see there are two types. One is pure, another is mixture. One is pure, another is mixture. Pure matters is divided in two categories. One is elements, another is compounds. One is elements, another is compounds. So, what is elements? Let us discuss what is elements. Elements is a pure substance of matter. Elements is a pure substance of matters which cannot be broken down into simpler substance. Okay? This is called elements. Elements are of three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. What is metalloids? Metalloid is an intermediate between metal and non-metals. What is metal? Example of metal? Example of metal is ferrous. Example of non-metals is carbon. Metalloid is arsenic, antimony, and germanium is example of metalloids. Okay? Compounds. Let us compound. What is compound? Compound is a pure type of matter. Okay? Compound also a pure type of matter. If we break down the compound, we will get two or more elements. Two or more elements. Example of compound is water, H2O. If we break the water, we will get hydrogen and oxygen. So water is a compound. There are two types of compound. One is organic compounds, another is inorganic compounds. What is organic compounds? What is the organic compounds? Organic compounds are the compounds what we get from the living source. And inorganic compounds, what we get from non-living source are inorganic compounds. Example of organic compounds is carbohydrate, proteins, lipids are organic compounds. And inorganic compounds is hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen are inorganic compounds. Okay? And in chemical classification, matters two types, pure and mixture. Let us discuss about the mixture. What is mixture? Mixture is a matter which is consist of two or more elements or two or more compounds, or it consists of both elements and compounds. Okay? Then it is called mixture. Mixture are two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture, where component of the mixture is distributed uniformly, it is called homogeneous mixture. Okay? What is example of homogeneous mixture? Example of homogeneous mixture, when iodine is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. What is carbon tetrachloride? Carbon tetrachloride is chloroform. Carbon tetrachloride, when dissolved in iodine, it is called homogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous mixture? Heterogeneous mixture, here component of mixture are not distributed uniformly. It is called heterogeneous mixture. What is example of heterogeneous mixture? Example of heterogeneous mixture is carbon dust and sand dust. Carbon dust and sand dust is common example of heterogeneous mixture. Now, I like to ask you a single question. You tell me what is the basic difference between compound and mixture. What is basic difference between compound and mixture? Basic difference is that compound is made up of two or more elements, okay? But mixture is made up of two or more compounds or two or more elements or consist of both elements or compounds. This is the first difference. Another difference is in compounds, a new properties is generated, but in mixture, the components do not form new properties. Example, compounds I have told example, water. Water is consist of hydrogen and oxygen, but in water do not retain the properties of hydrogen and oxygen. So water is a compound, but mixture, in mixture component do not form new properties. Example, water and sugar mixture. Here water and sugar both retain their own properties. Okay, this is the basic difference between the compounds and mixture. Now I will discuss another type of matter, colloidal solution. You know better about the colloidal solution. What is colloidal solution? What is colloidal solution? Do you know? Colloidal solution is a mixture. What I am saying? Colloidal solution is a mixture. What type of mixture? It is a heterogeneous type of mixture. Okay? In colloid, the colloidal particle ranges between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. What I am saying? 1 nanometer, okay, to 1000 nanometer. The range of particles in colloid. 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer, okay, in colloids. What is the example of colloids? Example of colloids is aerosol. Aerosol is an example of colloid. Mist is an example of colloids. Okay. So this is the colloid, and now we can come back to the physical classification of matter. Physical classification of matter. I have discussed there are three states of matter: is liquid, solid state, liquid state, and gaseous states. Okay. Apart from these, there are two more states of the matter. What are those? This is the plasma states, and another is Bose-Einstein states. Okay? What is the plasma state? What is plasma state? Do you know? What is plasma state? I am saying. Plasma state is a super excited state and super energetic state of the matter. What I am saying? Super excited state and super energetic state of the matter is called plasma state. What is the example of plasma states? You know about the neon sign? Neon sign is a common example of plasma state. Okay? Another state is Bose-Einstein state. Indian scientist Bose and foreign scientist Mr. Albert Einstein. Okay? This is the Bose-Einstein state, and this state is discovered in 1920, and this state is discovered. What is Bose-Einstein state? Bose-Einstein state is a state, and this state, generally Bose-Einstein state is formed due to supercooling of the matters. Due to supercooling of matters at a low temperature, very, very low temperature, and very low density. Okay? And this state is formed. So what I am saying, Bose-Einstein state is generated at supercooling of the matters at very low temperature and low density. Okay? This is the Bose-Einstein states. Okay? So what we have learned today? We have learned here there are two types of classification of matters. One is physical classification, another is chemical classification. In physical classification, there are three states of matters. One is solid, liquid, and gaseous. Apart from these three states, there are two more states of the matters. Example is the fourth one is plasma states, and fifth one is Bose-Einstein state. Okay? And in chemical classification, matters have two categories: pure categories of matters and mixture type of matter. Pure matters are classified to types: elements and compounds. Elements are three types: metal, non-metals, and metalloids. Okay? And compounds are two types: organic compounds and inorganic compounds. And mixture are two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, and colloids I have also discussed here. Okay, this is the total classification of the matters. Okay, this is the physical classification, this is the chemical classification of the matters. Okay, thank you.